How to make payments with Gemini Credit Card. First of all, open the Gemini app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the Cards section from the bottom bar. Here you will see your Gemini Credit Card details. To make a payment, tap on the Pay button. If you haven't linked a payment method yet, you can do so by clicking on Add a Payment Method. Once your payment method is set, select the payment amount. You can choose to pay your current balance or any other amount you prefer. Next, select a date for the payment, today or a future date, and ensure your linked payment method is selected. Tap Pay, then authorize the transaction. Your payment will be submitted immediately, and once it's processed, your balance will be updated. Now you know how to make payments with your Gemini credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.